In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 1006 step by step. If you're seeing this error pop up while trying to access your sheets, load data, or make changes, don't worry. This is usually a temporary or connection-related issue, and it can be resolved quickly. I'll walk you through 6 proven fixes that you can try right away to get back into your work without losing progress. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when you see error code 1006 is simply wait and retry. In many cases, this error happens because of a temporary server issue or a brief interruption between your browser and Smartsheet servers. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds, then try refreshing the action you were performing. If the issue was server-side or a momentary timeout, it may resolve itself automatically. If waiting doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to refresh the page. Go to your browser and click the refresh button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This forces the page to reload and re-establish a fresh connection to Smartsheet servers. Sometimes sessions expire silently in the background, and a simple refresh can restore functionality immediately. If the error still appears, the third step is to check your internet connection. Error code 1006 can sometimes be triggered by unstable or slow internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and working properly. Try opening another website to confirm your connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider restarting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Even brief packet loss or connection drops can cause this type of error. Next, try logging out of Smartsheet and logging back in again. Click on your profile icon, select Log Out, then close the browser tab completely. Reopen your browser, go back to Smartsheet, and sign in again. This resets your session token and can fix authentication-related glitches that sometimes trigger error 1006. If logging out doesn't solve it, the fifth fix is to try using Incognito mode or a different browser. Open a new Incognito or private window in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then sign into Smartsheet from there. If it works in Incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by a browser extension or corrupted cache data. In that case, you can clear your browser cache and cookies or temporarily disable extensions to identify the cause. You can also try switching to another browser entirely to see if the issue persists. The final fix is to reduce heavy operations inside Smartsheet. If you're working with very large sheets, running multiple automations, or importing massive datasets, the platform may temporarily struggle to process everything at once. Try closing unused sheets, breaking large tasks into smaller actions, or simplifying complex formulas. Reducing the workload can help stabilize performance and prevent the error from appearing again. So, to quickly recap, wait and retry, refresh the page, check your internet connection, log out and back in, try Incognito or another browser, and reduce heavy operations. One of these steps will usually resolve Smartsheet Error Code 1006 in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.